Come on.
What's up, friends?
What's up, AA Squad? And so, as you can see by the title, today we are going to be cleaning the kitchen. So, you're going to be cleaning the kitchen with us.
As you guys can see already, the dishes is already piled
They're
up.
piled, bro. And over there, they're piled up too. And y'all, it's actually my turn, yeah.
It's her turn to wash the dishes, but she doesn't ever do it, so we have to do it together.
Why you going to put it back in my face? Yeah.
Okay, we do it together, so yeah. But anyways, guys, we are going to get ready to... What are you doing?
Yeah, so the title is Organizing the Kitchen with Us. That's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be organizing the kitchen. We're going to, well, technically I'm going to be washing dishes. I know Kaya going to be trying like she washing dishes, but it's really my freaking turn. I hate washing dishes, y'all. And we got a popcorn station over there.
We got just to organize basically everything. And if you're new to this channel, I'm Akaya.
Welcome to the channel. So let's get started. Let's waste no time because I don't want to clean up this kitchen, no way.
Yeah, so let's just get started. I have something in the microwave that I'm gonna eat real quick.
But and then we're gonna get started.
No, I'm not gonna, I'm gonna eat it while we...
Y'all, what should I do?
Let's start with this area first.
No, girl, I kind of want to do the dishes first.
But nobody starts with the dishes, that's weird.
Because I don't even want to do the dishes.
But okay, we can do the dishes last.
Like, look at this, chat. All these freaking dishes over here. All of these, like, I ain't trying to do this.
I'm gonna break it. Why are you putting it in that area?
Because I like washing dishes on this side.
That's weird.
You
like washing them here?
Yeah, do y'all like washing dishes on the left or right side? I like washing, actually no, I wash dishes on both sides. I take out all of the like plates and stuff. I gotta get gloves. Let me go get some gloves real quick and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I had to get some Lysol because first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray everything down before I move like items. And I'm thinking I'm gonna keep all of the dirty dishes on this side over here. I got some Clorox too, but I'm gonna keep all
guys,
the
I don't really know what to do.
Dishes over here.
What do I do?
Girl, you clean up too. You think this is a Maya organized video? No, I'm not organizing this kitchen by myself. I can't.
Okay, so what do I do?
Girl, you do something like instead of eat, like eat. Like what? Y'all see her? She over here eating. Like we had this. Show them. Show them. Yeah. She's eating food while I'm cleaning. Okay.
I'm almost done.
I think I'm gonna spray down the counters first. I think the dirty like area, I'm not gonna spray down.
You don't spray down the counters first. You do the dishes first.
No, because it has to go on a clean like a clean counter.
No, it doesn't. The dishes are dirty.
Girl, but when I clean them, they gotta go on a clean counter.
I'll do that.
Okay, y'all see all this? Like, I be sick. Y'all know it. Cause look, me and Kai always alternate washing dishes. So what I need to start doing is I need to wash the dishes when there's only 2 in there, and then the next wash is a Kaya. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wash the 2 dishes in there. When I see 2 dishes, I wash them in the next turn first.
Okay. I'm do the same.
Cause see, I be waiting till it's packed. Like Kaya don't.
Yes, I do. Exactly, because that's your fault. People be telling you to clean the dishes. You don't clean them.
Y'all, because I haven't had to do this before, y'all. Like this is not my first time.
No, it's not. It's not your first time.
Like, what time is this?
Because you want to delay and procrastinate. That's why you like this.
What time is this? Like, what? How many times have I washed the dishes? This is like what, the 5th?
Barely. She always gets forced to wash the dishes.
Like, bro, one time I had to wash the dishes, y'all. 3 counters. It was 3 counters full. Like, I was sick. The table was full. This side of the counter was full. And the whole stove was full. I was sick to my stomach. And then I had to wash a couple more dishes because folks decided that they wanted to put some dirty dishes where the wash dishes was. And I wasn't washing them. I was not. I was done. People calling me downstairs to wash some more dishes. I can't do it. I was done. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna start now. I'm just trying to clean this area. Got some Lysol. Yeah, I think I want to move my hair to the back. I don't want it to get like. Oop. You also want to put some bleach on this too. Kai, it's just feeling like you just in the video and I'm doing the cleaning.
I'm cleaning in the background. Trust. You hear this?
Now, I hate cleaning up. Oh my goodness. Don't be over there because they can't see you over there.
Another pot.
Okay, y'all. It's actually not that bad today. I'm looking at it. I had worse days. Yeah, I had worse days. Trust. Had worse days. And I've never, I don't know. I can't tell. I ain't ever
I'm gonna be cleaning. You can't even see this because of the dish.
Yeah, move it this way.
Okay, just wait, please.
Let me put this dish over here. Okay, you should be able to see you now. Can you clean the counter? Because I'm going to start
doing. I'm putting up this area over here.
No, I need you to clean that counter right there.
Bro, the counter, I'm going to look. I don't know why you think it matters so much, but it don't.
Because it does. Guys, I like to have both of the sides, like, open.
I know, why are you trying to act like you're so, like, clean, tidy, like, she's not like this, guys. Trust, she's not.
Girl, cause look, this is how I am when I'm washing dishes, like, trust. Like, I'm literally, like, on exams mode. Like, I gotta have the gloves in the chat. Like, I have to. Okay.
I don't wash with gloves.
Now we have this little, like, stopper, obviously to stop the water from getting out, and we're gonna start now. Sadly. I just pour some bleach in here. And I get some ivory soap in this bitch. And then I like to save one side open because I like rinse it off.
I'm just gonna go ahead and on the side.
Girl, start watching it.
I did.
Oh, okay. I have to wash dishes now, guys. And I don't like to fill this up too much because it starts to overflow. And then I rinse it off over here. So that's why I like both of the sides.
What you do?
And that's where I put them when I wash dishes.
Okay.
Ooh, guys, have y'all watched Witched yet? That is so popular, like, everywhere, and they keep showing clips of, like, people crying. It's so sad.
People crying.
Yeah, they got Ariana Grande crying and that other girl that sing that. That part. Because I want to watch it, but I'm scared to watch it.
For what?
Because that's like, I don't want to waste no money because it ends with us, y'all. That movie was not good. Like, that was a
Thank you.
That movie was
Finally,
a, girl, I been said that. I said the book was good. That's what I said. I said the book of It Ends With Us was good. I never said the movie was good. The movie was cringy to me.
It didn't have enough information.
Yeah, it didn't. But guys, how often do y'all clean up? Like, I know everybody cleans their room. Well, I clean my room once a week because
You're lying.
Dead serious I do.
Stop lying for the camera, please.
Girl, you stop lying for the camera. Why are you trying to make it seem like I don't be cleaning my room?
Because it's just, guys, I'm sleeping now.
Oh yeah, and we got a mop.
Yeah, we got a mop.
Mop's not that bad though. I like mopping mostly. So y'all, washing dishes isn't that bad, but I gotta knock it out first because I don't like washing dishes. So I gotta hurry to knock that out. And I just put a few in at the time. Like the water stays really low. I like the water to be low. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start on a different section. So we're gonna come back to this one and then we're gonna start on the next section. Okay, guys, so we're now currently having a break.
And as you guys can see in the back is all of the dishes and stuff. Nope.
No, they're not. Because, y'all, what happened was, in the middle of me washing dishes, I broke some glass. And, you know, I just have to take a break.
Yeah, pretty traumatic. So while we take the break, we're gonna go into that area over there and we're just gonna clean up.
I ain't going to nowhere. I gotta eat. Eat.
Okay.
I'm eating tacos, guys. Don't mind the back. I'm gonna clean it back up, but literally glass just broke all over the place.
So
that's what I've been doing.
Think what we're gonna do is probably clean up off camera and then just come back because I guess Amaya's breaking the glass was really traumatic for her and now she has to eat and take a break. So
wait, let me first rate the taco before I go.
Okay.
We have a big tub of sour cream. We never get a big tub of sour cream, but here's a taco, y'all. It looks so good. Y'all might think it looks nasty, but it looks great. And then this is a little whatever. And we don't have any beans. I remember at school. Hold on, let me try it first.
Alright, y'all. So we'll be back when the kitchen is clean.
Oh my goodness. I think that's good, chats.
Alright, you guys. We basically finished cleaning up everything.
I just gotta put up the dishes back.
So we are done with cleaning up, guys. We just organized. Amaya did the best she could. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what else we should do for our next video. Peace out.